Good day everyone, I'm Leonel Philia and I'm inviting you all to please come to our clearing operation campaign in our barangay. And I hope you'll join us in this activity because this activity helps our barangay to keep clean and prevent blockage of canals when disasters come.
And this could be the effect if we don't clean trash or wastes in our barangay.
Help our nature together because this is just not for us but for our future generations. Thank you.